All right there. So today I'm just going to go ahead and show you a little bit of how Google Forms works. Today you can see this is the user facing side, meaning the side that the hunters will be seeing. As you can see, it's a pretty simple form. Now this is the demo version, so it will get more complex and have all the requirements you need when we develop the full version. Basically the hunter comes in, types in his name, so we'll say John Smith. Then he types in the date of his hunt, 12/31/2019. Then species, we'll say coyote. After that, any other notes you want to add in, so maybe shot from 300 yards with a 30-06, we'll say. Alright, so then the hunter would submit this. Now, the hunter does have the option to edit his response or submit another response. Say he shot another coyote or any other type of animal. He can go submit another one, or if he made a mistake, he can edit it. Now, for those of you who will get access to, oversee the club, you will get a couple things. So one, you'll be able to go in and see the form. Also, you can see any responses when they're made and all sorts of different things like that. Some analytics there. Then you can press this View Responses and Sheets button, which will take you to a spreadsheet that shows all the responses, full name, date, species, notes, etc. This will get updated when you do the full version as well. And also another way to get to that is you'll need a Google account to get to that sheet. There may be a way to share it, but we'll have to look into that if you don't have a Google account. But basically, you're logged into your Google account and you go right here to your drive. And then in here, you go to Demo Hunt Record. Or no, you're going to go to this one actually, my bad. And there you go, there's your sheet. And then you guys can see whatever information you may need. And that's essentially how it works. So hope you enjoy it.